This is by and far the most commonest question that any pediatrician must be getting on their handle. The answer to this is that there is no best cough syrup, okay? Cough syrups are given only when it is required. You cannot have some cough syrup by hand like this is the best cough syrup, I'll give the cough for the cough and it is gone. No. Every cough has a different reason. We call it a etiology, and according to the reason, that is etiology, we need to give the proper medications. If you want a proper cough syrup for your child, the best is give the home remedy. And if there is no response to the home remedy, then it is your time to visit your pediatrician.